Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel Arrow Beast. Myself Akash Verma. In this channel, I'll share aerospace engineering notes because most of the students faces too much difficulty to find aerospace notes. So we will start with the thermodynamics chapter. So we will discuss the first module, basic concept and definition zeroth law. So, what do you mean by thermodynamics? Thermo means heat and dynamic means work. Means it is a science. It is a science that deals with the relation between energy and the material system. So the definition of thermodynamics is that it is a science that deals with the relationship between the energy and the material science. So we are discussing about system. What do we mean by system? So system is a system is a finite quantity of matter or fixed region in a space. So let us suppose this is a system and this one is the system boundary, this is the space and this is the surround. So system is a finite quantity of matter or fixed region in a space. This one is the system and this one is the system boundary. This is the space and this one is the surrounding. So open system, and closed system. So open system, we are discussing about open system. So in a system, if mass and energy transfer take place between the system and the surrounding, then the system is termed as the open system. So in a system, if mass and energy transfer take place between the system and surrounding, then it is termed as, then the system is termed as open system. So we are making the diagram. How can we make? This is the system and this is the mass in and this is mass out take place between the system and the surrounding. So here energy in take place, and here energy out take place between the system and the surrounding. So next one is, what do you mean by closed system? Second one is closed system. So in a closed system, or in a system where mass remains constant and only energy take place between the system and the surrounding. Energy takes place between the system and the surrounding. Then it is termed as, then the system is termed as closed system. So going with the diagram, we are making the diagram. This one is a system, this one is a system, and here mass is constant and energy in take place and out take place between the system and the surrounding. Like for example, boilers, steam power plant. These are the examples of closed system. So next the definition is isolated system. Isolated system. So third one is isolated system. So what do you mean by isolated system? A system is said to be isolated system when there is no transfer take place between the system and the surrounding. Simple. A system is said to be an isolated system. A isolated system where when there is no transfer take place between the system and surrounding. So let us take an example. Thermoflask. Thermoflask is 100% isolation is assumed. So going with the diagram, this one is the system. For isolated, mass is constant and energy is also constant. So both are constant in isolated system. So next one is adiabatic system. Next one is adiabatic system. So in adiabatic system, when there is no energy transfer take place between the system and the surrounding, then it is known as the adiabatic system or adiabatic process. In that, mass remain constant. So next one is adiabatic system. In adiabatic system, when when there is no energy take place, when there is no energy transfer take place, only the mass transfer take place, then the system is known as adiabatic system. So let us take an example. This is a system. This is a system, and here energy is constant and mass in or out take place between the system and the surrounding. So the example of what adiabatic system is, the pendulum is oscillating in a vertically plane. So in the next video we will discuss about zeroth law of thermodynamics, first law, second law and third law. Guys, please like and subscribe my video and press the bell icon.